So guys, we are putting some clear tail lights on the 7th gen. So to do this, you gotta take your LED board out your stocks and the bulb for your reverse and that. This bracket might not need it. And your light right there. So this is driver's side. So yeah, we'll need that light and that light. Came with new bulbs, I think. Okay, we got that in. That's the aftermarket. Oh, there you go. Just had to kind of push it into place, but then you take your 2 screws and put them back in their spots, like so. Like so. Let's see, pat and gently tighten this down. Gently, make sure they don't get now. Need to get from here. They sent us new bulbs, so we need to get that. We got that out already. We got our old plug, and we need to get this out. Our plug, and then this too. And then we should be good. So we just got that out. Okay. They sent us new bulbs. Honestly, I really don't care to put them in. So put that in. Where's the bottom? Oh, it's connected to this, so we got somehow this guy out or something? Or just snap it off. That's it done. Or just snap it off. It doesn't have to be mounted like hardly, I guess you would call it. Hard mounted? But that's the clear one. What the hell? I don't know. Let me get this together and I'll be back. So guys, we got all that done. We just gotta mount this back in the car and plug this board up. Let's plug this board up right here. Plug it up, but yeah. Plug that board up. So we have brake lights. Need to pry that up. The clears are hard, bro. The clears are hard. That looks crazy.